Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google File. Open Google Drive, sign in, and locate the file you want to manage. Click to preview, right-click for options, and choose Open with Google Docs or Download to save a copy. Use the search bar to find files quickly and add stars to important items. Remember to adjust sharing settings to control who can view or edit your files. To add files, click New, then choose File Upload or Folder Upload from the menu. Drag and drop files into the Drive window to upload them quickly. Create new documents with Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, and they save automatically. Use folders to organize by project or client and move items with drag and drop. Right-click a file to rename, move, or remove it from your drive when you are finished. Sharing files is simple. Right-click, select Share, and enter email addresses or get a shareable link. Choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor to set permissions and click Send or Copy Link to distribute access. Use advanced settings to prevent editors from changing access or downloading files. Set expiration dates for access when needed and monitor activity with the version history to restore earlier versions if mistakes occur. Teach collaborators to leave comments for clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.